Good morning, friends. Let us dive into another case law, that is P. Ramachandra Rao versus State of Karnataka, that was decided in 2002 by our Honorable Supreme Court. This case primarily dealt with the issue of delays in criminal trials and violation of the right to speedy trial under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. So friends, let us first explore background of the case. Mr. P. Ramachandra Rao, the appellant herein, had been accused of a criminal offense, but his case had been delayed for an extended period in the trial court. The appellant challenged the delays in his trial, arguing that this delay violated his fundamental rights, specifically his right to fair and speedy trial. So, friends, key legal issues in this case were right to speedy trial. The main legal question in this case was whether the prolonged delay in the trial violated the accused constitutional right to a speedy trial under Article 21. Second issue was factors contributing to delay. The case also involved an examination of the factors causing delays, including administrative inefficiencies, lack of judicial infrastructure, and systematic problems within the judicial process. Third issue was judicial discretion and remedies. The court considered whether the delays were justified based on the specifics of the case or whether they amounted to an infringement of the accused rights. So, friends, Supreme Court gave its judgment. The court ruled that while the right to a speedy trial is a constitutional guarantee, it does not imply that a case should automatically be dismissed due to delay. The court held that the delay in a trial should be examined in the context of the circumstances surrounding the case. The court emphasized that judiciary must ensure that trials are conducted expeditiously, but also recognized that systematic delay, such as inadequate judicial resources or witness absences, would contribute to postponements. The judgment reiterated that it is the court's responsibility to assess each case individually and determine if the delay is oppressive. The court addressed that while judicial delays are to be discouraged, fixing time limits for the conclusion of the criminal trial is not always feasible, as every case has its own complexity. The court acknowledged that reforms were needed in the judicial system to address the growing backlog of cases and improve the efficiency of the courts. The ruling highlighted several systematic causes of delay, including inadequate judicial infrastructure, lack of judges, and inefficient manpower. The court also suggested reforms such as increasing the judge population ratio and addressing administrative inefficiencies within the legal system to prevent delays in the future. So, friends, the conclusion is the P. Ramachandra Rao case clarified that delays in criminal trials should be examined on a case-by-case basis, and that courts should ensure that such delays do not violate the accused constitutional rights. It also called for systematic reform in the judicial process to ensure quicker disposal of cases and better access to justice, particularly by enhancing the judicial infrastructure and increasing the number of judges. The decision underscored the need for a balanced approach to ensuring both justice and timely legal proceeding. This case significantly contributed to the discussion on the right to a speedy trial in India and need for judicial reforms to address delays in the legal system. That's all, friends. God bless you.